Dear viewers, in the previous video we have started the book back exercise, that is solve the following problems. So with that continuation, I am going to solve the next sum given in the ninth part of textbook calculations, that is calculate the percentage of each element in the calcium carbonate. It is a very simple sum. It is often asked in 2 marks. Very simple sum. All we need to know is how to calculate this percentage. So first of all, what are the details we should know? Basics we will see. So we have to calculate the mass percentage of each element. So this is the first one. The second one, we should know the calcium carbonate formula. So the molecular formula of calcium carbonate, right? That is nothing but CaCO3. So this idea we should know. The third one, so we have to calculate the mass percentage of each element. So we have to know the total mass or molecular mass of calcium carbonate. So molecular mass of CaCO3 we need to calculate. Okay, first of all, we will calculate this molecular mass of calcium carbonate first. So the remaining things we will calculate. So let us calculate the molecular mass of calcium carbonate. So let us calculate for the calcium first again. How many calcium we have in the formula? 1. So 1 into the atomic mass is already given 40. So 40 is equal to 40. Next we will go for carbon. How many carbon we have? Only 1. So 1 into the carbon atomic mass is 12. So 12, the answer is 12. Then oxygen. How many oxygen we have? 3 oxygen we have into atomic mass is 16. So you write 16. So the answer is 3 into 16. 6 into 3, 18, balance 1. 1 into 3, 3 plus 1, 4. So 48. So now you add it. 8 plus 2, 0. 10, balance 1. So 4 plus 1, 5. 6 plus 4, 10. So the molecular mass of calcium carbonate is equal to 100, right? If it is mentioned in the atomic mass unit, so you have to mention the gram unified atomic mass or atomic mass unit. Additionally, what are the other information you have got is mass of calcium in calcium carbonate you have got. What is that? Only one calcium atom we have, so 40 U it is. The next is mass of carbon we have got, right? Mass of carbon in calcium carbonate. How much it is? 12 U. The next one, mass of oxygen in calcium carbonate is equal to how much, my dear children? You can easily calculate from the calculations. Am I right? Am I right or not? Yes. So 48 U it is. What is that value is? 48 U. So this is the detail we want to calculate the percentage of each element. So let us calculate the percentage. Now what is the formula, my dear children? How do we calculate the percentage? So mass percentage of an element is equal to mass of an element in the compound divided by molecular mass of the compound. So this is the formula, into 100, into 100. Don't forget that into 100 we want to write compulsorily, so we have to calculate the percentage. So let me calculate for the first case. Mass percentage of calcium in calcium carbonate is equal to mass of a calcium. What you have calculated? It is 40U. So 40U divided by molecular mass of a compound. Molecular mass of calcium carbonate is 100U. So 100U into 100 for the percentage. So U get cancelled. 100 get cancelled. So the answer is 40% for the calcium. Next one, mass percentage of carbon in calcium carbonate. What is the weight of carbon, my dear children? 12. We have calculated mass of carbon in calcium carbonate is 12. So we can apply that formula. So 12U divided by total mass is 100U into 100. So U get cancelled, 100 get cancelled. So 12% it is. Now come to the third one. Mass percentage of oxygen in calcium carbonate is equal to, what is the weight of oxygen? We have calculated 48U, right? So 48U divided by 100U into 100. U get cancelled, 100 get cancelled. So the answer is 48 grams. So this is how we have to calculate, my dear children. I hope learning through this channel is very wonderful and very easy, and you could find chemistry concepts more easy here. If you like this video, subscribe and click the bell button to get the notification instantly. Like, share and comment. Thank you, children.